Hola students, welcome to today's video. As you can see, our focus is on de viaje, which is traveling, but more specifically, this video will focus on los lugares de interés, the places of interest. You're going to learn how to state where you travel to as well as why. So let us look on a few places of interest in Spanish and English. El museo, el parque, la fiesta, el cine, el club, el aeropuerto, la tienda y la piscina. We have a few more. I hope that you're taking notes so far. El gimnasio, el hotel, el restaurante, la playa, el centro comercial, and la ciudad. Now, whenever it is that we want to find out where someone travels to, the question is, ¿a dónde viajas? Repitan, ¿a dónde viajas? So that's the question, but how do we respond to it? So you want to say, I travel to the river, I travel to the beach, etc., but how is it done? If the place is feminine, meaning that it has the article la, such as la plaza, la playa, etc., then we would respond to the question by saying yo viajo a la, and then the place would go on the line. So that is yo viajo a la. Let us do an example together. Let's just say, for example, you want to say, I travel to the beach. Now, beach in Spanish is la playa, and this is feminine. How do we know? Because it has the article la. So we would simply say, yo viajo a la playa. Yo viajo a la playa. Now, I want you to try these two for yourselves. How would you say, I travel to the city and I travel to the plaza? On the other hand, if the place is masculine, meaning that it has the article el, for example, el mercado, el museo, then we would respond to the question by saying, yo viajo al, and then the place that we're referring to would go on the line. So that is yo viajo al. Remember, the a plus the l gives us an al, so it is never a l, it is always al. Let us do an example together. Let us say we want to express that I travel to the country. Country in Spanish is el campo. Now this is masculine. How do we know it's masculine? Because it has the article el. So we would simply say yo viajo al campo. Why? Because el campo is masculine, so we would have to use the al. So we get yo viajo al campo. Try these two for yourself. How would you say, I travel to the sea and I travel to the museum? Ahora vamos a repasar. We are going to review. To find out where someone travels to, we ask the question, ¿a dónde viajas? ¿A dónde viajas? Now, to respond to the question, if the place is feminine, meaning that it has the article la, then we say yo viajo a la. Sin embargo, however, if the place is masculine, meaning that it has the article el, then we would say yo viajo al, because the a plus the l gives us al. Our focus will now be on why you travel to the different places. To find out why someone travels, we ask the question, ¿por qué viajas? Otra vez, ¿por qué viajas? Meaning, why do you travel? Now, para responder, to respond to the question, all you have to say is, yo viajo para. I travel to. Otra vez, yo viajo para. And then your reason for traveling to the particular place is what you'd place there on the line. So let us look on a few reasons. You could say, yo viajo para conocer gente, conocer el mundo, probar nuevos sabores, descubrir nuevas culturas. You could also say, yo viajo para estrechar lazos, tomar perspectiva, tomar fotos y superar obstáculos. Now, you could also say, yo viajo para hacer amigos, hablar idiomas, construir recuerdos, as well as yo viajo para aprender. So please study these reasons, because these are the reasons I want to hear when I ask you why it is that you travel. I don't want you to just tell me that because it is fun. Everything can't be fun.
Wow!
Alright, so study at least 3 of these. And now for your activity. So you have a simple essay to write in Spanish, of course, 130 to 150 words. Now all you have to do is to talk about where you plan to travel to and when you plan to go to the place, reasons for traveling to the destination, a description of the location, and several things that you will do during your stay. So this is about your ideal destination. Please upload to Google Classroom when you are finished. Sadly, that's all the time we have for today. Adios. Bye bye bye.